Dear children, last day I taught you a teen lesson, land and the people in geography. Now look at the page number 129, people and economy of the Amazon basin के बारे में देखें. People and the economy. The Amazon forest remains the home of many primitive tribes. Indigenous people mostly live by hunting, fishing, and food gathering. The American Indians now practice shifting cultivation. They grow cassava, rice, maize, beans, and potatoes. Commercial crops include coffee, cocoa, Brazil, nuts, and black pepper. Life in Amazon basin has undergone a tremendous change after the discovery of the New World by Columbus in 1492. A large number of Europeans settled here and recklessly exploited the natural resources. Lumbering is also a major industry. Natural rubber is no more economically beneficial. Plantation agriculture was also introduced here. All these activities had an adverse impact on the environment. The Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Natural environment, location. The Ganga Brahmaputra Basin is one of most fertile and densely populated regions of the world. This vast plain stretches in a 205-kilometer long and 150 to 400-kilometer wide belt lying to the south of Himalayas in India. The Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is in Bangladesh. Really, the Ganga Brahmaputra plains slope very gently towards the east. It is made up of alluvium brought down by these two rivers and their tributaries. The alluvium is hundreds of meters thick. The continuous deposit of the alluvium has given rise to the most fertile plain in the world. The Ganga plain is more extensive than the Brahmaputra plain. It stretches through the state of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal, while the Brahmaputra plain in India is confined to the state of Assam only. The Brahmaputra plain is made up of the alluvium brought by the Brahmaputra and its tributaries. The Brahmaputra rises in Tibet and then enters India from Arunachal Pradesh. In Assam, it flows through a comparatively narrow valley and then enters Bangladesh. There, it joins the Ganga and releases its water into the Bay of Bengal. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra jointly give rise to a huge Sundarban Delta, which is largest in the world. Before draining into the Bay of Bengal, both rivers spilled into a number of distributaries. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin is known for fires, floods, The Brahmaputra is called the shadow of Assam due to of its surf and regular floating of the state. Climate. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin has a moderate climate with hot summer and cool winter. The regions get most of its rainfall between July and October from the southwest monsoon. The western part of the plain receives some winter rain from cyclonic storm originating in the Mediterranean Sea. Such storms are known as western disturbance. The amount of rainfall in the basin decreases as one moves westward. Assam experiences the heaviest rainfall. Vegetation and wildlife. Dense tropical forests of basin were cleared way for agriculture purpose. The Brahmaputra plain still has more tropical evergreen and deciduous forests. Sal and bamboo are dominant in Assam. The delta region has tidal forests known as mangroves. The delta is called Sundarbans, named so after the Sundi trees which grows abundantly in the region. Very little wildlife is now found in the Ganga basin, while the Brahmaputra plain is home to one-horned rhinoceros, elephant, tiger, leopard, deer, monkey, snakes, and birds are also present in large numbers. The Sundarbans are home to the Royal Bengal tiger, crocodile, gharial, marsh, deer, and many species of birds, fish abound in rivers. People and economy. The Ganga basin and the delta region are more densely populated than the Brahmaputra region basin. People are engaged in agriculture since an ancient time. Wheat is the staple diet in the western part of the Ganga basin, while rice is eaten more in the eastern part and the Brahmaputra basin. Pulses, vegetables, and fruits are also grown. Jute, tea, sugarcane are important commercial crops. Jute is grown in West Bengal, tea in Assam, and sugarcane in Uttar Pradesh. Fertile soil, abundant rainfall, and well developed means of irrigation have favored agriculture in the region. Animal rearing, especially dairy cattle, forms an integral part of the agriculture. Besides sheep, goat, pigs, and poultry are also raised as the region is deficient in the minerals. Agro-based industries such as cotton, jute, and silk textiles, sugar, paper, etc. dominate. Crops like weaving, pottery, metalwork, etc. are also well developed. Assam has some coal and petroleum deposits, and hence oil refining has developed there. The densely populated Ganga basin has an efficient network of the roads and railway. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga also serve as inland waterways in their navigable course. There are many prominent towns and cities in the Ganga plains, while New Delhi, the capital of India, is situated on the bank of the Yamuna. Kolkata, on the bank of Hooghly, is capital of West Bengal and large industrial city and a major river port. Guwahati and Dibrugarh lie on the bank of the Brahmaputra, while Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Thanks. Next day.